ako sa aking pangalan sa pagdala ng mabuting balita para sa mga nagdaralita sa mga bilanggo. Kalayaan, bigay ko'y liwanag na tagos sa mga nasa lilim ng kamatayan, ilaw na susupil sa galamay sa pagsugpo ng karimlan at salot upang mamayapag at huwag nang matakot. Tatanggol kita't hindi pababayaan. May patutunguhan tayo, ako ang magiging daan mo. Isang misyonero, paring totoo. Buhay ko'y ilalaan sa'yo.
Kaligayahang ngiti, lubos na nakatamtan sa paglilingkod ay aming batid. Kaganapan ang pagkalayang iwas pag-ibig.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the cast. Chorus, Soloist 1, the Soloist 2, and now the main cast. Sister Martha, Sister Mary Agnes of the Triune God Salt, Lasengo, Seminarian Rex Butiao, Stella, Diane Rose Lorejo, Ina, Sister Mary of the Holy Spirit Salt, Ama, Brother Noel Baldera Salt, Boy 2, Seminarian Larry June Barcoma, Missionero, Father Raul Balote Salt, and now the little boy who has become the missionero, Boy 3, Brother Steve Basilia Salt. The production staff, Sounds and Lights, Brother Eddie Batalha Salt, Brother Menato Serrano Salt, and Seminarian Reginald Zuniga. The Propsmen, Brother Fausto Rodel Malanya on Salt, Brother Benji Salas Salt. Stage Managers, Brother Hurley Miliana Salt, Brother Chodolfo Medina Salt. The Props and Set Design, Reverend Pedro Balde Salt, Brother Fausto Rodel Malanya on Salt, Brother Jerry Liona Salt, Seminarian Lloyd Del Castillo, and Seminarian Peter Paineta. The Composers, Mr. Inocencio Bermundo, Brother Noel Valvera Salt, Father Ramon Rey Balote Salt, Mr. Frank Benny, Mr. Kwok Javenia, Reverend Pedro Balde Salt. The Accompaniment, Brother Noel Valvera Salt, Mr. Inocencio Bermundo. The Lyricist, Reverend Pedro Balde Salt, Father Vladimir Echala Salt, Father Albert Futol. The Scriptwriter, Reverend Pedro Balde Salt. The Choreographers, Mr. Manny Rivera and Mr. Bonnie Salvadora. The Creative Consultant, Father Albert Futol. And now the Musical Director, Mr. Inocencio Bermundo. Ladies and gentlemen, the Director of the show, Father Vladimir Echala Salt.
Coordinate for this project is Reverend Father Ray Balute, who is here with us, although he's already in heaven. Father Ray, thank you very much. And we would like to invite you to sing with us our last song. The cast will be going there to you and celebrate with us. Thank you very much.
Kay sarap ng buhay, may pag nagbibigay, kaligayahan.